Hey, what's up guys? It's Rob from Mad Jack 3D Prints, and today I'm 3D printing a comb to deal with this hair right here. What do you think?
Yes!
Yeah! Okay, so right now I'm on thingiverse.com and I was just looking for a cool comb to use, so I found this awesome shark comb. Right now I'm loading the model into Cura for the Ultimaker 2. Here are some of the basic settings I used. And right here is a time lapse of the 3D print. What do you think, guys?
Yeah!
You like that?
Yeah! No!
Alright. Have to it. Grab that thing.
Yeah! It's styling time!
Oh, yeah!
Alright, let's go!
Let's see that bad boy.
Here it is.
Tell the people what we got right there.
Alright, we have a 3D printed shark made brush right here to deal with this guy's massive hair. Mad Jack 3D Prints director Rob Peters.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you. I don't know what kind of crazy styles we're going to get into, but I got my beautiful hairdresser Isabella right here. Isabella, you want to tell the people what you're going to do?
Well, that's why they're going to vote on, do you think if I'm going to do a wacky hairstyle or a nice regular hairstyle, like if he's going to a fancy dinner or banquet.
All right, we're gonna get to work right now. Here we go, folks. We have style number 1 with the shark comb.
Boop, boop, boop.
How does it look?
Oh, that part just came out. That's just, like
not good? Tell them what you're gonna do.
Do my brother's hair.
No, your dad's hair.
My daddy, my sister's hair. Look, I'm putting the gel in his hair. I'm doing the gel.
You're doing the gel?
Yes.
Put your hands out, Sonny.
Oh man, this is gonna be.
Didn't.
Is it disgusting?
Put it in his hair.
Oh. Oh yeah. That is cold. And on my lip. Thank you, sir. You want some more?
No.
No? Yeah.
Yes.
You want? Yes.
And look at that phenomenal hair.
Look at this phenomenal hair. Yes.
See
What
that?
do we got? Oh yes. Oh yeah, that's
That's full of gel.
this is incalculably better than the last one. Look at that shine, folks. Look at that style.
Yep, people.
All right, that's it, folks. Do you want to give a review of the shark comb?
Yeah, that's what
How
I'm
well
doing.
it worked?
Yes.
Oh, do it then.
What I was doing, I'm doing it! You're just trying to, what the heck? Look at those eyeballs right there. This is weird. Alright, I think that this shark comb right here, did a phenomenal job on my dad's wacky hair. That was super crazy. It was like, oh, woo! Like afro, afro, and I made it into that.
Bam! Oh man, look at that. It is so
Around
much
the block,
better.
ladies.
Around the block, ladies. Yes.
Yeah, around
Check
the
it out,
block.
ladies.
Checking that out.
I got the
Look
funky
at
fly,
that.
dude.
Yep. Woo!
Aw, shucks.
Right there, right there. Shark comb. Buy it now in stores. Just kidding, folks. No, not in stores yet.
Alright guys, that's it from Mad Jack 3D Prints. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe. Take it easy.
do your hair.
Shark, shark, eat. Take a picture, man.
All right, man.